Here is the problem with power but no sound. Hello! Welcome to my channel, Mr. Handyman at your service. We are going to repair JBL active subwoofer with power but no sound. Here is the model of the unit. Let's test the unit. Here is the problem with power but no sound. Okay, let's start. Here is the system board with digital amplifier. Here is the switch mode power supply board. Let's check the voltage output of switch mode power supply. At socket number 2, the red wire has positive 7 volts DC output voltage. The white wire has negative 7 volts DC output voltage. And the blue wire has positive 3.2 volts DC voltage. This is the command voltage from the system board to turn on the power amplifier power supply. Let's check the socket number 1 if there's a voltage output. There's no voltage output at the socket number 1. It means the amplifier power supply is not working. Let's troubleshoot the switch mode power supply board. Before we start to troubleshoot the switch mode power supply, let's identify the division of the circuit. This is the division of power supply board. Let's check the primary side for continuity. So far, no loose connection. We are going to check the secondary side of switch mode power supply. The Schottky rectifier is good. There's no abnormal reading at the secondary side. Let's proceed to component testing. In this section, we are going to troubleshoot the circuit. Let's check all the transistors at the secondary section of the switch mode power supply board. Guys, there's an abnormal reading in this transistor. Let's remove the transistor. This transistor is defective. It is 2N2904 NPN, General Purpose Transistor. We are going to use the replacement transistor KTC3198 NPN, and it is also general purpose transistor, and this is my stock on hand spare parts. 2N2904 has CBE terminal configuration, and KTC3198 has BCE terminal configuration. As we notice, their terminal configuration are not the same. The datasheet for 2N2904 and KTC3198 are almost the same. We are going to install our replacement parts at the copper side of switch mode power supply board. And we are going to connect first the base terminal, then bend the collector and emitter and solder it. Let's check the switch mode power supply if the amplifier power supply circuit is working. Let's test the voltage output of the switch mode power supply board. Guys, there's a 35 volts DC output voltage at socket number 1. It means that the amplifier power supply is working. Let's test the unit. Okay guys, the active subwoofer is working and the unit is in normal condition. Please leave your comments and suggestions below. For more videos to come, please support my channel. Please hit subscribe button and also to update you in my next contents. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now. Maraming salamat po.